Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke. Today I'm going to be replacing the hood struts and battery in a Cadillac SRX. Thanks for joining me. Those of you that have followed the channel will probably know that I've got rid of that SRX almost 6 months ago, but through the magic of finding old video, I bring you this video. The hood struts on the SRX are actually really easy to remove and install new ones, so this video will not be very long. And really, you just need to have someone assist you with holding the hood up while you do this job. Alright, so we'll just take this little pick and push it in here in this little retainer. And once you have it in there, you can pull this retainer back. Then it's the same thing for the one down here. You just need to grab onto that retainer, pull on that, and that just comes right off. And then there is the hood strut. And you do the same on the other side to remove the other one. Then you just take the new one, and it clips on the inside here. And then it just clips in on that one, like that. And that is the driver's side hood strut. And again, just repeat the same process to install the passenger side. And then it's done. And now that the hood struts are done, we'll move on to the battery. First thing you're going to want to do is take the hold down bolt out, and that is a 13mm bolt. Put that on there, and that just comes right out. And that bolt comes out, and then you just remove that clamp, and then you can disconnect your posts. And then it is a 8mm socket that goes on this side post, and you just take that off like that. Always start with the negative first and then go to the positive. And once you have those disconnected, the battery will just lift right out. Alright, so put the hold down on there, put the bolt in there, and tighten it. Give it a couple of good cranks with the ratchet. Make sure it holds that battery in place. Then you start with the positive and crank that in there nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it, but just get it snug. And then you do the same thing with the negative. And again, just snug it up, not too tight, not over tight. And that is how you install a battery. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.